this episode of Come Adrift, we step off from Wreck Rock in Deepwater National Park, Queensland. We decide with the news of heavy rain coming up the coastline, we would start our journey inland to Carnarvon National Park, with plans to hike the gorge.
Baby cow!
After some back and forth with the bull, he let us pass and we started our climb up over the range, down along the edge of the rural state forest. Howdy. We just come down Black Man's Gap, as comical as that is. It was actually pretty nice. It was a pretty big range, way up there. We just cruised down and we found this little pull-off area, which is starting to look like it'd be nice next to a creek. And then we turned up and we're like, oh, what have we stumbled onto here? So we've snuck the bus right down in against the creek. Wait till you see this. Look at that little crystal creek. How good is it, bub? Words cannot express, apparently. Just down over there is going to be our little swimming hole. It's got a little waterfall in it. Check out this. There's our bus. And this is our private little swimming hole. Oh, there is a little fish down there. A couple of them. You're like a little platypus. A little dingo puss.
What's for dinner?
Oh, those cheeky mahi that we shot the other day at off the Mulbar on the Fads, out of Barn Banks. Mahi are awesome to hunt. They're one of the fastest growing fish in the sea, reach sexual maturity in just 4 to 5 months. This and their ability to spawn multiple times a year make them a really sustainable fish to hunt, and they taste great. In these large schools, fish are in competition with one another for food. When a fish is shot, their inquisitive nature and the thought that one has found something to eat will nearly always bring the rest of the school within range. And we're going to do it with some capers, some lemon, got a bunch of roast tatties in here to mix with some dill, garlic, and yeah, can't talk, busy man. Good morning. Saying goodbye to our beautiful little creek today. We are heading up to Lake Awoonga. Maybe have a little go fishing for barramundi. See how that goes. Probably not well.
Lake Awoonga is a stocked impoundment dam. Basically, that means every year they release a certain amount of juvenile fish. Here they stock approximately 200,000 barramundi, mangrove jack, and a bunch of other species. Lake Awoonga has over 225 species of birds and is the main water supply for the Gladstone region. We stayed at the Boyndale Bush Camp, which is a great free campground set up by the Gladstone Regional Council. It's dog friendly with toilets. We had a great few days here, exploring the area and making friends. We met a bunch of awesome dogs and their people. Dan talked his way onto a boat for a couple of days chasing the elusive barramundi.
I spent the next couple of days casting at every snag or edge of the weed bank in a desperate effort to break my barramundi curse. Unfortunately for me, a cold shift in the weather had seemingly turned the fish off, as I listened to stories around camp of large fish being caught in the days prior to our arrival. So we're literally collecting some water down the creek. We're at Lake Awoonga Dam still. And last night we ate a bunch of freshwater mussels, so I thought I'd just give you a little show on how we're getting them, because they're pretty good and they're pretty easy to find. I don't know if you can see, but all these little babies, cockles and mussels, just when the rivers, when the dam's gone down, come up a little bit further because I did that. When the dam water goes down, the water recedes and all these mussels die. So all we're doing, and I'm going to chuck it on my head so you can see. Walking out to about that deep, which just drops off quite steep, and then I'm just feeling with my foot like that down the bottom, and then feeling for the big clams. Just go on. Yeah, deep in the weed. Here's one. No, that's a rock. I think I did, maybe we'll go just that little bit further because I did this bit yesterday. Yeah, from here. So, stand on one foot, babe, and just run your foot like that down the bank until you feel. Yeah, well, yeah, like this.
Oh, I gotta get in that seaweed.
Yeah, they live in the seaweed.
Oh, I don't want to.
Go on. Oh,
yuck.
Come on, come on.
I would like to not, thank you. Oh.
Loves to eat, doesn't like to catch.
I don't like
Look at them. Yeah, but you'll like the flavour in the pasta. Yeah, come on. And you'll feel them, babe. They'll just be sitting up out of the mud like that. They'll be like that, and that's what you feel. Oh, a little bit muddy there. Yeah, we got a fair few over there.
Alright, I'm gonna keep getting one.
Nah, you gotta come get one.
I'm not getting that.
Look, there's one right here. Feel down here. That or it's a rock. Keep going down till you feel my foot. Can you feel the lump?
Yeah.
Reach down and grab him.
Oh, that's so...
Go on, get him. Fish down.
That's a rock?
Yeah, next to it, there's two things there.
That's a baby!
Yes, nice one.
There's a baby, should I put it back?
Nah, they were quite good. Look, that's right on the edge of the water. Oh, he's empty. Alright, we're gonna go get some more water. So what's our little concoction here? Oh, good filter. Steady. Oh, no, that's even going through the filter. Mussels, mussels. Collecting mussels, using mussels. Whenever we eventually show you how we've set the bus up, we've got three really good filters under the bed. We can pretty well take water from anywhere. So this is our first time, but we haven't had to do it till now. The only reason we're filling up out of the creek is because we don't want to go into town. It's too nice. After this, we're going to try and dump this ski in. and there's a couple of spots up in the river. I might go have one more flick for Barrow, even though it's been a bloody 0,000 casts or something. But if we get back up in the river, there's a spot I want to take Chantel to where I lost my hat yesterday. But there's about 400 swans. Let's get out of this wind. There's about 400 swans all sitting up in this bay, so there's a bunch of pelicans all sorts up there. So take her up there and show her that, and yeah, we'll touch back in later, probably cooking mussels.
The upset.
Not upset. Not upset.
Disappointed?
Nah. You can't be disappointed at something you don't really know that much about. I would, but I am doing all the right things, apparently. And that's upsetting. The barrow had gotten the best of me again, however the dam didn't disappoint. We found a few broggers off in the distance and the weather was great. We headed back to the camp to cook a feed for all the people that had made this place so great and plan the next leg of our journey over a few beers. Alright, we steamed them about 3 to 4 minutes with just garlic, chili and salt, and half of these are literally just falling out. It's about as good as they get. We're going to do these into a tomato and chili broth. It's going to be delicious. Look at this. We got
them on the ground.
We got the peanut gallery off to the side. Say hello, peanut gallery. Peanut gallery. Woo! The Napoli sauce are made for the pizzas. Big pot of pasta. Big pot of hungry souls. To follow us on our adventure, hit subscribe and come and drift with us to Carnarvon Gorge and wherever else the road takes us. Well, I don't know what to tell you. We've just woken up. We did have a bit of a drink last night. There's one sink. And here's the other sink. And Chantel is washing up in a bucket.